Welcome. In this entrainment sequence, you will be guided into the healing field of the Flame Glyph for Burnout Recovery and Subconscious Alignment. Find a comfortable position and allow your breath to slow. We begin now. You will practice EMDR. EMDR stands for Eye Movement Desensitization and Reprocessing. It is a psychotherapy technique used to help people process and heal from traumatic memories, emotional overwhelm, anxiety, and stress. EMDR is a method where a therapist guides you to recall a difficult memory while engaging both sides of your brain, usually through side-to-side eye movements, alternating taps, left-right, or sounds in each ear. This bilateral stimulation helps the brain reprocess emotional memories, reducing the distress connected to them. Before we begin, there is something you need to hear, not with your mind, but with the deeper part of you that already knows the truth. Burnout is not weakness. Burnout is not failure. Burnout is what happens when your light has been running ahead of your body, pulling you through responsibilities, deadlines, expectations, until your system whispers, "I can't keep carrying this alone." Burnout is the moment your energy says, "I need to come home." From the perspective of source consciousness, burnout is simply disconnection from the natural flow of your own life force. It is not a problem. It is a signal that you've been giving more than you've been receiving, holding more than you were designed to hold, running faster than your nervous system can safely follow. And this glyph, this geometric intelligence, is here to reverse that. This symbol doesn't heal you through force. It heals by reminding your body how to return to coherence, by teaching your breath to slow, your mind to soften, your energy to gather back into alignment. In a world that pulls you in 100 directions, work, screens, expectations, noise, this glyph pulls you back into yourself. As you watch it, your nervous system will recognize its symmetry as safety. Your body will see the flame and remember vitality. Your subconscious will follow the lines back into calm, back into clarity, back into the origin of who you are. In a few minutes, you'll feel a shift, subtle but undeniable, a quietness, a softening, a returning. So for these next moments, set everything else down. Let the world wait. This is where you heal. This is where you come back to yourself. Phase 1. Enter the field. Sit comfortably. Place the glyph directly in front of you or look at it on your screen. Take one slow inhale through your nose. On the exhale, whisper, "I enter the field." This signals the subconscious that you are shifting into the glyph's architecture. Inhale gently, very deep. Exhale softly, as much as possible. Repeat this 3 times. With your next exhale, whisper inside your mind, "I enter the field." Allow your awareness to settle into your body, into the moment, into the glyph before you. Phase 2. Stilling the noise. Focus your gaze loosely on the center flame of the glyph. Quietly say, or think, "Flame, quiet my mind." Repeat the following. I allow my thoughts to soften. I allow loops to dissolve. I allow internal noise to weaken. You are not trying to be calm. You are letting the glyph cancel the chaos. The flame performs mental interference clearing. Gaze gently at the central flame. You do not need to focus. Just allow it to meet your eyes. As you breathe, repeat again quietly within. Flame, quiet my mind. Let the thoughts soften. Let the loops dissolve. Let the noise unwind. Feel the flame doing the work for you, clearing, unweaving, calming. Phase 3, rebuilding the spine. Shift your gaze to the vertical line running from the top arrow through the flame down to the lower vessel. As you breathe, imagine this vertical axis, lifting your chest, freeing your breath, softening your shoulders, lengthening your spine. Now whisper, "Pillar, realign me." The nervous system responds instantly. This resets my posture, my breath, my vagus nerve tone, my subtle life force flow. You may feel warmth or inner straightening. Keep your awareness to the vertical pillar of the glyph. With every inhale, feel your spine lengthen. With every exhale, feel the body soften. Whisper again, "Pillar, realign me." I allow my body to return to its natural posture of ease. I feel the energetic spine coming online again. Bright, straight, effortless. Phase 4, gathering the lost self. Shift your attention to the downward crescent and arrow. This symbol is the retrieval gate. While gazing here, inhale through your nose. Imagine energy rushing upward from below. Exhale through your mouth. Quietly say, "Everything I gave away has returned." Doing this retrieves scattered attention, burnout fragments, emotional dissociation, vitality lost to stress. It pulls you back into you. This phase is powerful. Bring your attention now to the downward arc. This is the retrieval gate. Inhale and imagine the energy rising up toward you. Exhale and release the tension. Repeat softly again. Everything I gave away, return. Feel yourself coming back. Feel your energy gathering. Feel the scattered pieces returning home. Phase 5. Bilateral Reset. Now shift your focus to the left arrow, then the right arrow in slow alternation, like this. Left, right, left, right. Do this repeatedly for 5 to 6 seconds.